There is this audio brand that I just saw today, literally, and I've never heard of them before. They're being called Unity. Um, Look, they just released an incredibly expensive wireless headphone. This is the Hed Unity headphone. Is their first product to have a lot of features, and the most important thing, it's a high-end wireless headphone. So let's look at what you will get with this headphone. Now, it uses Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth and can store high-res music within its onboard storage for access to high-res tracks. And look, even if you're not at home to use your Wi-Fi network, you can use your Bluetooth connection with it, with your devices, and it will serve you really well. It's going to be priced at $2,200. This is one of the most expensive wireless, if not the most expensive wireless headphone I've ever covered. This is crazy, really, really, really crazy. The Unity wireless headphone is the first headphone from the brand Hed. The name of the brand is Hed. It's a Swedish audio company. The company calls the Unity Wi-Fi based headphone a great achievement for them. They said that they believe that everyone should be able to listen to audiophile and quality audio wherever they can and enjoy incredible sound with detail and rich performance in terms of vocals and everything. Now, Heard says that you'll be able to listen to lossless high-res track at 24-bit, 96 kilohertz with this through the Wi-Fi that is included in it, and it would even allow you to do a peer-to-peer connection when a Wi-Fi access point is available. Most wireless Bluetooth headphones can only support lossless version of high-res audio through codecs like LDAC, aptX HD. Now, this has the ability to do a little bit more. Unity Bluetooth codec supports is going to have all this LDAC, IPTX HD support, but also you will have high-res audio support that even exceeds that, and you'll still have support for AAC, SBC, and lossless audio. So it can do a lot. Now the company claims that this model as well can kind of like stream high-res audio music from Tidal. It supports Tidal. It supports Amazon Music. It supports Apple Music. And it's very gorgeous. If you like a very beautiful headphone, this is something that you should be looking at getting for yourself, because the detail is there. Now, along with the headphone, you will also have the music player, which allows you to control the headphone. They're calling it the Hertz multi-source music player. That's inside the Unity app. You have to download that app on your Android or iOS. It will give you access to catalogs and lets you sync existing favorites music, depending on what you want to sync from your library. It will give you all those options. Another thing again is that on board of it you get 16 gigabytes of storage, which is enough to store around at least 100 to 267 songs from what the company claims. Look, you still have other options. You can just have it wirelessly connect to your devices and you'll be fine for the most part. You don't really need to save anything on the drive that comes with the headphone. So that's something you should be able to enjoy. And they claim that the high frequency reproduction can get really up to 40 kilohertz. The Unity brand claims that even frequency response ranges between 20 hertz and extends up to 40 kilohertz for this model. So it's definitely one of the very best wireless audio products you can get. Now, according to Hed Audio brand, they claim that there are four microphones in this particular headphone to enhance the ANC performance, because there is ANC support with this headphone, and it really does look nice. Obviously, I think you will be able to enjoy all the features you will be getting with it. Look, $2,200 isn't something a lot of people can afford, and the battery life isn't too bad. The company claims that you will only get between 6 to 8 hours of Bluetooth streaming or high-res Wi-Fi streaming with it, and it only takes 1.5 hours to fully charge it. But I was expecting that with this kind of price tag, they would at least give you a very, very good battery life, maybe 20-25 hours, but they didn't. So that's another maybe the disappointment with this model already for me. So look, I'm going to drop details for it down in the description on where you can buy it. If you care about it, subscribe to the channel, like our content, follow us on our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys very much next time.